Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to lock your iPhone to a single app, prevent accidental touches or control with buttons and areas of the screen can be used, guided access is the perfect feature. In iPhone settings 2026, guided access is ideal for kids, exams, presentations, public use, or focus. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on guided access on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, tap settings. Okay, so now I want you to look for accessibility. Okay, so scroll down until you find the accessibility option. Here is it. Okay, tap it. So this is where all assistive and control features are located. Okay, so scroll down and tap access, guided access. Okay, so you have to find it first. Okay, here is it, here. Okay, so you will see all guided access options here, but before you have to turn it on. Okay, so guided access, toggle on the option, and then guided access is now enabled on your iPhone. Okay, so set a guided access passcode. Okay, choose a passcode to end guided access. Change session settings. Okay, so this passcode is separate from your iPhone lock passcode. Okay, now enable Face ID or Touch ID. So this is optional. So inside passcode settings, enable Face ID or Touch ID. Okay, so this lets you exit guided access faster and securely. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.